Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 8.5 question number 6. Sunita traveled 15 km 268 meter by bus, 7 km 7 meter by car and 500 meter on foot in order to reach her school. How far is her school from her residence? First of all, what you have to do, you have to all the convert all the distance in the same unit. How to convert? Let us convert this one. This is the solution of question number 6. We have to convert the distance, right? That is 15 kilometer 268 meter. You have to change it into kilometer. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1000 meter. Therefore, here 15 kilometer 268 meter means 15.268 kilometer, right? Next question is 7 kilometer 7 meter. Next is 7 kilometer 7 meter. That can be changed into kilometer. That is 7.007 kilometer, right? Next one is 500 meter. 500 meter. 500 meter. That can be changed into kilometer. That is 500 meter means 0.500 kilometer, right? If we add all the numbers, what you are getting, you see, if you add all the numbers, 8 plus 7 is 15, 5, carry 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, 2 carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 22.775 kilometer, right? That means what you have to do, you have to change the numbers, change into the same unit to add the numbers, right? How far is her school from her residence? Her school is, the answer is, her school is 22.775 kilometer from her residence. From her kilometer from her residence. From her residence. Right? This is the solution of question number 6. What you have to do? You have to convert in the same unit. After that, you have to add the numbers, right? That is 15 km 268 meter means 15.268 kilometer. 7 meters, 7 kilometers, 7 meter means 7.007 kilometer, and 500 meter is 0.500 kilometer. After that, you add the numbers and you will get 22.775 kilometer. Therefore, her school is 22.775 kilometer from her residence. This is the solution of question number 6.